Hey, this is Coach Brian with Bata. Over the years, we've had lots of people ask us what kind of batteries should we use to operate a pitching machine, because there are a lot of new batteries on the market that get more and more popular. And we went looking and we just couldn't find anything suitable. And the biggest problem we were having was you have two issues. One is your capacity, which is measured by amp hours, and the other one is the size of your inverter. And a pitching machine motor takes a fair amount of power, especially on startup. Once it's running, it's not too bad, but you have to be able to get two motors started. So finally we went out and decided to design our own so we have something work perfectly with a pitching machine. And here's what we come up with. And this battery, they built exactly to our specifications. It's got an inverter that'll fire up both pitching machine motors. So you can run a two-wheel machine, you can even run a three-wheel machine off this battery, and it will pitch all day long. And the big advantage for that is, especially at the younger ages, you'll have these coach pitch leagues, and then they'll have machine pitch leagues. With machine pitch leagues, you've got a pitching machine set up in the middle of a field, and you don't want to drag an extension cord. It becomes a tripping hazard for kids running across it on their way to first base and second base. So with this, you just set the battery right underneath the pitching machine, you plug it in. It doesn't make noise like a generator would make. So for that type of application, it's perfect. Also, we have lots of applications out there where guys have a pitching machine in a barn, they don't have power, they don't want to drag an extension cord 500 feet to the place that the batting cage is at. So with this, you can just literally bring this thing out to the field, plug it in, and it'll fire up any pitching machine. So when we talk about capacity, this thing's got about an 8-hour life. In fact, we tested this thing to see how many pitches we could throw, and I think it died after about 8,000 pitches. So you can come in the morning, run a tournament all day long, and your battery's still going to be good. Charge it up for the next day, and you're good to go. The other advantage for this battery is just portability. You can take this thing out on the boat if you need big time AC power. If electricity goes out, you can plug your refrigerator in this thing. The inverter is plenty big enough to fire up your freezer, your refrigerator, and it runs for a long time. So great battery, designed for a pitching machine, but because it's designed for something that has relatively high draw, it's also fantastic for other applications. Thanks for your time.